Today we have patients also coming in to see us just to want to make some improvements with their smiles. For those patients, a smile makeover and incorporation of a porcelain veneer for them is a viable option. Porcelain veneer is actually porcelain that is a facing that goes over a tooth. It's a very cosmetic way and a conservative way to make the teeth appear almost as you want them to be. They could be perfect. We could change colors, we could change spacing, we can show more teeth, we can make teeth longer so they're more visible for them. Today, there's a number of different types of porcelain veneers. We hear about lumineers. Lumineers are very, very thin pieces of porcelain. They're appropriate really to change shape of teeth, to hide some rotations of teeth, and we're able to sometimes place them on a tooth without even doing anything to a tooth. We're able to control color more and change spacing by using a different type of porcelain veneer called a stackable veneer. Patients love veneers when they're completed because it becomes an immediate change to their mouths. We're able to suddenly make a drastic change to them, just usually in 2 visits.